Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Ghayyur Akhtar. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friends. Akhtar was born on 5 October 1945 in Lahore, British India. He began his acting career in the late 1964 to 1965 with Radio Pakistan. He was known as Hamid Bhai Oho from his performance on the television serial Sona Chandi and Chacha Barkat from Radio Pakistan. Because of this dialogue, Oho, he worked as a writer, actor, director and producer. He shifted his career to television in the 1980s and appeared on PTV classic serial like Sona Chandi, Khwaja and Son, Waris and soap like Anak Wala Jinn. He also appeared in mainstream cinema in directed Havaldar 1985. But television drama remained his major field in recognition of his services in media. Writer and columnist Manu Bhai wrote 2 columns called Gireban in his honor. He also appeared on the Din News political talk show Wah 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 and Chaudhary of the over a year. Akhtar was decorated with a Pride of Performance award in 2008 and Tamgha-e-Imtiyaz. Akhtar died on 7th February 2014 in Lahore after a prolonged illness. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.